Hello everyone, now let us see how to search a CPT code. In the current session, we will be discussing a question from repair of aneurysm of intracranial artery. First of all, let us see the question. In the operating room, the doctor repaired an aneurysm of the intracranial artery by balloon catheter. The following options are 61710, 61697, 61698 and 61700. Now, first of all, let us see what is aneurysm. A brain aneurysm, also known as cerebral aneurysm or intracranial aneurysm, is a bulge or ballooning in the blood vessel in the brain. In simple term, aneurysm is nothing but abnormal bulging in an artery. Abnormal bulging or ballooning in an artery. That is aneurysm. And aneurysms can be treated by embolization. Now, if you see for the term, the key term here is embolization. Under embolization, under intra-arterial, you can find for aneurysm, the CPT code is 61710. Now, if you go for the description of 61710, it indicates by intra-arterial embolization, injection procedure or balloon catheter. Here, the term balloon catheter can be found by intra-arterial embolization, injection procedure or balloon catheter. And this is not the complete description of the code. The complete description of 61710 is surgery of aneurysm, vascular malformation or carotid cavernous fistula by intra-arterial embolization, injection procedure or balloon catheter. So the correct answer is 61710. Let us see the question once again. In the operating room, the doctor repaired an aneurysm of the intracranial artery by balloon catheter. So the correct option is option A, that is 61710. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on medical coding and CPC training.